witnessing the majesty and the power of the largest, most awe-inspiring creatures to have ever lived. That dream is now a reality here at Jurassic World. The park is a technological marvel and a modern phenomenon. Sparing no expense, the Maslany Global Corporation has created a world-class destination resort like no other, where humans coexist with dinosaurs in complete safety. We welcome you as our guests to step into a new reality over 65 million years in the making. This is Jurassic World.
Hello everyone, I'm Allison, Jurassic World's lead ranger, and I've